If you want to set up a VPN on Xiaomi 17, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Over here in settings, you should be able to proceed to the more connectivity options, and then in here you might be able to find the VPN option, which is usually like above NFC or somewhere close to it. In my case, the VPN option is available in the main page of settings, so I can go over here, and if you have a VPN profile, then you should be able to select it and just continue. In this case, I have an app that I use, but if you have like the details of the VPN connection that you want to create by yourself, then of course we can press add VPN at the bottom of the screen, and then you can fill everything in and tap on this check in the upper right corner in order to add the connection, and then you can of course use it over here. But most likely you just want to install a VPN app, which is the simplest solution. So you can just go to the Play Store and you can simply search for a VPN app, and of course try to find anything that you may like the most. I encourage you to check different VPN apps in order to see which one is the best for you, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.